So if you're a business owner in Australia, then leveraging a business credit card in 2024 is going to be crucial in helping you grow and scale your business. Now, if used incorrectly, credit card debt can sink your business. But if used correctly, you can leverage business credit cards strategically so that they can benefit and help you gain access to the capital that you need to continue to grow your business. And on top of that, they come with great sign-up bonuses that can reward you with free travel or provide you with cash straight back into your business. So in today's video, we're going to go over my definitive guide on business credit cards, and we'll start off talking about the benefits of business credit cards, what the requirements are to actually sign up, and then we'll talk about some of the best business credit cards on the Australian market that you can look to sign up for. Thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Airwallex. More about them later on in the video. So let's start off with the benefits. Now, the first reason and the reason that I am attracted to business credit cards is that you can get more sign-up bonuses. You can think of it this way. Now, a lot of personal credit cards that you might know typically have a business equivalent credit card as well. So for example, the American Express Explorer card has the Business Explorer, and the Amex Platinum card has the Amex Business Platinum. And so immediately you just have another opportunity to get another sign-up bonus, and that is super important in the world of sign-up bonuses and credit cards, because that is the fastest way that you are going to be able to leverage those for free benefits such as travel and cash back. Not only that, but the sign-up bonuses with business credit cards are usually higher than personal credit cards. For example, for the personal platinum card, the current sign-up bonus is for 200,000 American Express reward points, whilst the business counterpart has a sign-up bonus of 250,000 Amex reward points plus an additional $500 cash back. The second benefit of business credit cards is that it allows your business to actually build business credit. If you are a small business owner that wants to scale at some point in the future, you probably will want to get a loan in the name of your business or increase your existing credit limit. But when you first start out, because your business is relatively new, you'll probably get a hard time getting approved for that loan or having your credit limit increased. By opening a business credit card early and demonstrating to the bank that you can consistently pay back your credit card debt, that's going to go a long way towards helping you getting approved and securing that business loan that's going to help you take your business to the next level. Now, in Australia, the requirements to actually sign up for a business credit card are actually quite different compared to other parts around the world. In the US, for example, you actually don't need to have a business or be operating a business to be able to get approved for a business credit card. However, in Australia, you definitely do. There are 3 broad requirements that you'll need to meet in order to be applicable to sign up for a business credit card. And that's firstly to have a valid Australian business number, and typically your business needs to have been in operation for at least 12 months. So if you're a brand new business who's just starting out, it probably will be quite hard to get approved for a business credit card, simply because the bank doesn't even know if you can meet your repayments yet. Most cards also require your business to have a minimum turnover revenue, which is typically at $75,000 per year, which you also need to provide proof of this in the form of tax returns. And lastly, this is tied to the second point, but you might be required to be registered for GST, which is a requirement if your business is bringing in more than $75,000 per year. Now, if you don't meet all the requirements for a business credit card, then don't worry, because there are other options out there on the market, like for example, today's sponsor, Airwallex. Whether you're a global business, a small business, or a sole trader like myself, Airwallex's borderless cards allows you and your employees to make purchases in multiple currencies using existing balances in your account. This can be useful in eliminating unnecessary and costly currency conversion fees on international purchases. Airwallex is currently also giving their business customers 10% cash back on the first $1,000 of international spend using the borderless card. There's also 0% foreign transaction fees and no other hidden fees, meaning you can keep more money in your business in order to grow it even faster. They're free to create and you can use them anywhere where Visa is accepted, either online or physically. Now, in order to open an Airwallex borderless card, you will need to first open an Airwallex business account, which allows you to immediately start collecting payments from your customers in 11 different currencies. This will allow your business to hold and make payments in foreign currencies, which means not having to constantly change your Australian currency to USD, Euros, or Great British Pounds. Once again, saving you heaps in foreign transaction costs. And in the event that you do need to convert your money between currencies, you'll be able to do so at market-leading exchange rates. So open a free Airwallex business account today and create an Airwallex borderless card to start spending today using the links in the description box down below. So now that we understand the benefits and the requirements to sign up for a business credit card, let's actually do a quick round of some of the best business credit cards on the market today. The American Express Platinum Business Card is one of the most premium business credit cards on the market today. Despite its higher annual fee of $1,750, the card offers extensive benefits, making it the preferred choice for well-traveled and savvy business owners. Now, the first thing to note about the American Express Platinum card is that it is not a typical credit card, but in fact a charge card. This means that there's actually no preset spending limit, which is a huge benefit for businesses looking to optimize their cash flow. However, having no spending limit doesn't mean that there's no limit. Limits are actually set internally by American Express based on your own spending and repayment history. Now, because this is a charge card, you can't technically carry any of your debt forward to the next month. American Express provides you with 55 interest-free days to pay back your purchases, which should allow you enough time to optimize your business's cash flow. However, to help businesses out even further, American Express has introduced a benefit known as flexible payments, which can help business owners free up additional cash flow beyond the 55 interest-free days. The flexible payment option will only apply to a certain percentage of the total outstanding balance, which can then be carried forward to the next month. The current sign-up bonus for the card is a whopping 250,000 Amex reward points after your business spends $12,000 in the first 3 months, and you'll also receive a $500 credit, which is an amazing deal and effectively brings down the annual fee from $1,750 to $1,250. When you combine this sign-up bonus with the uncapped spending potential of the Platinum Business Credit Card, business owners will quickly realize its power. Being a business card also means that you get up to 99 additional cards under the main account at no additional cost, which essentially means that you can get all of your employees that you manage under one account, boosting your points earning potential, whilst also giving your employee benefits such as complimentary travel insurance. The Amex Platinum Business Card also earns you up to 2.25 Amex reward points per dollar that you spend. And like I mentioned earlier, you can earn points at an uncapped rate, which means Amex doesn't actually penalize businesses with a high turnover. And lastly, you'll gain access to over 1,400 lounges worldwide where you'll be able to relax before your flights and travels, and it also provides various perks like hotel statuses and Amex Platinum travel discounts. The Amex Platinum Business Card is packed full of benefits that will help businesses manage its cash flow whilst rewarding you generously with travel perks and benefits. Now, if your business is on a much smaller scale, then the Amex Business Platinum Card might not be suitable for you, so that's why you might want to consider the Amex Business Explorer card. Now, I've had the personal version of this credit card for several years now, so it makes sense that the business version is also on this list. As a sign-up bonus right now, they're offering 75,000 bonus membership reward points after spending just $3,000 on eligible business purchases within the first 3 months. This card comes with a much more modest $149 annual fee, which you can fully offset with the 75,000 bonus membership reward points if you so choose, which is worth at a minimum $375 in statement credits. If you're a business with multiple employees already and you need to provide them with a business credit card to put business expenses on, then this card has you covered with up to 99 additional card holders at no additional cost. And like the personal equivalent equivalent, this card will also earn you 2 Amex reward points per dollar spent on all of your business transactions and with no cap on them as well. This means that as a small business owner, you can definitely start off with the Explorer business credit card, and it'll continue to reward you with perks and benefits as you grow and scale your business in the future. You'll also receive 2 complimentary Centurion Lounge passes at either Sydney and Melbourne airports, and you can travel with confidence because it also comes with complimentary travel insurance that also extends to your employees as well. The next card on the list is the NAB Rewards Business Signature Card. Now, NAB has always been a small business lender, so it makes sense that they have a credit card on today's video. Right now, they are offering 100,000 bonus NAB reward points after you spend $4,000 in the first 60 days of your account being opened. The card has a middle of the range annual fee at $175, and one negative thing about this card is that it does cost an additional $175 for each additional card holder. So this card is probably not the one you'd want to get if you're planning to provide your employees with a business credit card, because that $175 per card is definitely going to add up quite quickly and is an expense that I think you'd want to avoid as a small business owner. Now, NAB allows you to redeem your reward points to either Singapore's KrisFlyer program or Virgin Australia. So when we compare this to the partner airlines that American Express offers, this definitely has a lot less flexibility. But one perk that this card has that every other card doesn't have is that payments to the ATO will still earn you the same amount of NAB reward points at the same rate as regular purchases, which is 1.25 NAB reward points per dollar that you spend, which I think is a great feature. Typically with most credit cards, whether they're personal credit cards or business credit cards, any payments to government agencies like the ATO aren't actually eligible to redeem and earn reward points, or if you are, they're at a significantly reduced rate. The last card that I wanted to talk about is the ANZ Business Black Card. Again, I've had the personal version of this credit card, and I can tell you for a fact that this card is packed full of features and benefits, which is the exact same thing when we talk about the business equivalent version of this credit card. As a sign-up bonus, you earn 100,000 reward points after spending just $6,000 in the first 3 months from opening your card, and they're also waiving all fees in the first year, saving you a total of $375 in fees, which is between the annual fee and the reward fee that you need to pay. This is the perfect card for business owners who want to get a business credit card but don't want to pay hundreds of dollars in annual fees. You could even just try out this card for 1 year and cancel it before the second year. The 100,000 reward points is at a minimum worth $400 in gift cards or cash back that you can direct straight back into your business. So you're effectively getting nearly $800 worth of value from this card from the get-go. There's also no limit on the amount of additional card holders that you can have associated with this card, and all card holders will receive complimentary travel insurance for both domestic and international travel as well. So those are the 4 business credit cards in Australia that you can consider signing up for. If you guys have learned something new or have enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that button down below, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you guys are interested in learning about some of the best personal credit cards, check out this video right here where I've ranked over 20 personal credit cards.